fix the cloud operation was unsuccessful OneDrive error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Relink OneDrive account. Click the Unlink this PC option and select Unlink account to sign out. If a sign-in window doesn't automatically open, search for OneDrive in Windows and open it from there. Input your OneDrive email address for your Microsoft account, and click the Sign In option. Enter your password and press the Sign In button. Keep clicking Next until you reach the last option on the OneDrive setup window. Press the Open My OneDrive folder button. Solution 2. Reset OneDrive. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Solution 3. Make the files available offline. Right-click the file affected by the error and select Always Keep on this device. Right-click the same file again and select Free Up Space. Repeat these steps for all inaccessible files. Solution 4. Turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Return to OneDrive to see if the error still persists with the firewall off. Solution 5. Reinstall OneDrive.